this video, we're going to show you how to access the laundry services and halls at Middlesex University. To use the machines and dryers, download the app and add a minimum of £5 using a credit or debit card. Start loading the machine to the line indicated on the door. If you're not sure which setting to use, check the instructions posted on the wall or the labels inside your clothes. For smaller or everyday loads, select one of the eco settings. It will save you time, money, and it's better for the environment. When you are ready, put the detergent inside the machine with the clothes and close the door firmly. Scan the QR code on the machine, follow the instructions on the app, and press start on the machine to activate it. Set the timer so you don't forget to collect your belongings at the end. If you've got any questions, come and speak to us at the hall's reception.